All right, so I want to try to use ChatGPT as like a assistant or kind of like a sales development expert for my consulting business because, it's time to move up in the game. I'm tired of eating the craft dinner. I just want to upgrade, okay? I need some more clients so that I can upgrade to the ramen noodles. You know what I'm saying? Not the 99-cent ones, the $1.50 ones, like the ones that are on the next shelf, those ramen noodles. That's what we're trying to graduate to. Because I don't know a whole lot about sales. I know sales specifically. It's the business development part. It's the hardest part is like getting out there, understanding the clients. Like, you got to start from somewhere. Like, you need a sheet. I have so much crap in my head and I don't really know how to put it on paper and put that into a sales or a business development plan. So that's what this is about, right? I'm trying to identify a target, right? Identify a client. What should I know? Like, what are their interests? What is the demographic? What is the budget? What makes them tick? Those are the kinds of things that I want ChatGPT to help me with. So to start, I've actually done this quite frequently, is spit out all of my ideas verbally. Sometimes it's tough to sit there and type. I just go into my iPhone, I go into the notes, and I just hit the speech button, and the speech converts it into text very nicely. And that way, just all of the diarrhea in my head just gets put on a piece of paper and nothing is missed, right? I like to do that the best. All right, so now that we have it, because it syncs right onto the notes in my laptop, I'm just gonna plug it in and I'm gonna see what we get. All right, so this is what we get. We got point 1, understanding your target market, good. And then it gives me questions to consider. So essentially what did I ask? I told them about my work, SEO consultant. I want to target law firms. That's kind of where I am. And, I'm saying, look, it's very confusing for me. I'm literally looking for you to set up some framework. I want to reach out to lawyers that are page 2 or 3 and get the, so, I'm kind of leading the GPT, and it's just going to fill in the rest of the information for me, hopefully. So we got what specific areas of law. That's a great way to narrow down the target. The size, what is the current online presence, what geographic locations, identifying ideal clients, are the law firms I'm targeting actively looking to grow. One of the big questions I have is in terms of, let's just go through the rest. Competitive analysis, who are the providers, and then prospecting strategy, questions to consider. How will I identify law firms that are on page 2 that can benefit from the services? So this is good. I mean, I'm like, if I'm to cold call or cold email and I have all this information already, they're going to take me more seriously because I get hundreds of emails every day that, not good. So if you're prepared, I think they'll listen to you. And if, their ears perk up, if you know something about their business. Then we get an action plan, market research. Start with in-depth research into the law firms, identify potential clients, use tools to find law firms that are not ranking well. That's pretty good. Outreach, prepare outreach. The next question, and I think it's important, every salesperson will ask this question. Are you already using an X in your business? So whatever service they provide, if someone's calling you about, I don't know, some new CRM, it's like, what are you guys using now? Are you using HubSpot? This is how we can do better. So that's kind of my next question is, how do I figure out if this company already has SEO efforts? If you're an SEO, you can probably tell by going on their website. But I just want to see what ChatGPT says. So here's what it's telling me. Use Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Understanding website traffic performance results. I don't really have access to their Search Console. SEMrush would probably work. Comprehensive SEO analysis, keyword research. Why use it to assess a firm's current SEO performance? You can do that if you plug in their website and see where everything is ranking. That's not bad. Couple of other tools, Screaming Frog, that's more for technical SEO, so that's good for me. Yeah, this stuff is all pretty good. So the next important thing for me is I want to generate value from the first time that I make contact. If it's with an email, I want to make sure that I have a document ready that's going to intrigue them, to show them that I've done the research. So I want to ask ChatGPT what the best way to show them an opportunity, right? Like in my head already, the idea of is show them where they're ranking for 5 keywords and say, with a bit of my help, I can increase your rankings from 20 to number 5. That's going to give you 5x more leads, right? That's the chain of progress that I see. I really wonder what ChatGPT is going to say. So I already have this pre-written, and it's essentially talking about, I want to create an irresistible email. So let's see what ChatGPT tells me. All right, so as this is generating, let's see, show them where they stand. That's kind of what I was, did you know that by being on the first page, you could increase your, wow. I should be ChatGPT. I just freaking said that. Interesting. Cool. What else? Competitor benchmark, research, idea, content, conduct, comparative analysis using the same tools to show how direct competitors are performing in search results. Highlight the competitor's success in a non-threatening way. No, I want to threaten. I gotta threaten people. Your competitor is currently in the top 3. Visibility is likely contributing to their client growth. Let's discuss. Not bad. Along the same lines. Then we got use Uber suggest date, SEMrush to estimate potential increase in website traffic. Translate SEO metrics into potential client inquiries, improving your ranking. Simplify SEO benefits. Use simple terms. For those salespeople out there, let me know what you guys think of this. I'm really interested. I'm not a freaking, I don't consider myself a sales guy. But you know, I like shaking hands and petting dogs and stuff like that. So let me know. Offer a free mini SEO audit. Those are the things, you know. I have a few friends in construction and they always have to go and do site estimates. I think this might be a way to get that. All right, so that's just part 1. If you guys want to see a continuation of this and then actually reaching out, maybe doing some phone calls and stuff, seeing how that process works, I'm just trying out some new things here. Let me know what you guys think. Please leave your comments below. Let's have some friendly debates. Any advice? What would you guys do? Again, thanks for watching. Welcome back.